Love American food but worried it'll ruin your fat loss? What if I told you classic American dishes can be high protein and fat burning? Most American meals are carb heavy and protein light. That means slow metabolism, constant cravings, and belly fat, even if you're eating healthy. Today, I'll show you high protein American recipes that boost fat loss, keep you full, and are insanely easy to make. Fire breakfast. Protein plus fiber, choose one. Egg or egg white scramble with spinach and peppers. Protein pancakes with Greek yogurt and berries, overnight oats with protein powder and chia seeds crossmark skip, sugary cereals or plain toast. Fire lunch, lean protein plus veggies plus smart carbs, grilled chicken or turkey salad. Quinoa and black bean bowl with veggies, tuna or salmon wrap protein keeps insulin low and fat burning high. Snack smart, Greek yogurt with seeds, cottage cheese plus berries. High protein bars protein stops cravings and prevents overeating. Fire dinner, light plus protein focused grilled salmon or cod. Tofu stir fry with broccoli and bell peppers. Turkey chili without beans if you want low carb, avoid heavy carbs and fried sauces at night. Protein is optional at dinner for most people. That's the fat loss trap. Without protein, your metabolism slows and belly fat lingers. Follow these recipes for a week and you'll feel full, energetic, and notice fat reduction without starving. If you want high-protein American meals that actually burn fat, thumbs up like this video, bell subscribe to flip fit yourself. And comment, American protein. I'll drop a 7-day high-protein American meal plan next.